इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट में एक आईपीओ का बूम आने वाला 50,000 करोड़ के आईपीओ जो है पाइपलाइन में है। अब हम बात करते हैं कि IPOs के surge, the Indian equity market is set for a major IPO wave over the next 3 to 4 months. Some very good IPOs are lined up and you can keep them on radar. The fundraising goal क्या है कि over the 30 companies aim to raise more than 50,000 crore. Immediate plans are 24 companies plan to launch worth 30,000 crore in the coming months. अगर मैं बात करूं कौन-कौन से IPOs lined up हैं तो Ola Electric, First Cry, Fincare SFB, NSDL, Afcons Infrastructure, Worry Energies, Ashirwad Microfinance, Stanley Lifestyle, One MobiKwik Systems, Emcure Pharmaceutical, Allied Blenders and Distilleries, Shiva Pharmachem, Wire Industries. आपको एक चीज और नोट करनी चाहिए कि जो और भी एंट्रेंस है वो है Hyundai Motor. I think Hyundai Motor is coming with one of the biggest IPO. फिर बाजार स्टाइल रिटेल, Swiggy and Haldiram's are also in the IPO pipeline. अगर हम बात करें Hyundai Motor की, filed a draft prospectus with SEBI for a 3.58 billion IPO. $1 billion is roughly about 8,500 crore. So आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कुछ 25 से 30,000 करोड़ का IPO होगा. Haldiram exploring IPO after a stake sale plans for foreign investors stalled. रुका हुआ इनका भी. And Swiggy approved for a 10,414 crore IPO at an extraordinary general meeting. Ola Electric, अगर हम बात करें, received a SEBI nod for an IPO, launch expected within 2 to 3 months. और अगर मैं other IPOs की बात करूं तो First Cry, parent firm Brainbee Solutions, refiled papers with SEBI to raise funds. One MobiKwik System filed draft prospectus with SEBI to raise 700 crores. Wari Engines filed draft red herring prospectus to fundraiser via IPO. इसका conclusion क्या हो सकता है कि the Indian market is bracing for a significant influx of IPO with top companies across various sectors getting up to raise substantial funds. Investors should keep a close eye on these developments as the market may witness the robust activity. According to me, as of now जो मुझे best लगता है वो लगता है NSDL का. NSDL को आप अपने रडार पे रखिए. We can also keep Emcure Pharmaceutical on our radar. These are the two IPOs I will closely be watching. And तीसरा जो मैं watch करूँ वो है Hyundai Motors का. Let's see how they develop, how the financials develop. After that, I'll be able to give much more concrete picture to you. But NSDL को जरूर ध्यान में रखिएगा.